Good morning, Xander. What are we doing?
New whip.
Yeah, right. So we have James's Delta 80.
Oddball. You don't see many of these.
No, you don't. You really don't. I haven't seen one of these. This is one of our regular clients for storage. So when he brought it back in for the season, he's like, hey, can you guys check out this? And I'm like, yeah, of course. So he said something about his rear windows. So we're going to test his rear windows and see what's going on. Okay, let's see what we've got. Okay, leave that one alone. We're not doing anything with that until we get the body, the interior apart. Okay, so we know what this one may need. And I get the feeling it's probably going to be a regulator or one of the clamps that holds it to the regulator. Let me get to the other one. Okay, let's check this one out nice and slow. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one just probably needs to be greased because it seems to be moving pretty good, but that one, yeah, that one's all kind of janky. So we'll take the interior out for the back. And since Xander is pretty much the interior guy with me, we'll take the interior out, get the plastic off on the driver's side rear. Yeah, let's not kill our battery on this one. And we'll double check everything and figure out what's going on with the window so that he's able to use his windows like he's supposed to. Oh, you're not used to that, are you?
What is that?
That's your door buzzer. You have to pull the key out of the ignition.
I didn't know they did that back then.
Yep, they did. So we'll get the battery tender back on it while we're working on it.
I thought I was about to blow up a car or something.
So we'll get a battery tender back on this one for while we're working on it. And we'll take the interior out. And I have a safe place to put the interior so it won't get scratched or damaged at all. So I'm not real worried. But yeah, that window, let me go back to that in a minute. God, I love my car.
It's kind of in there.
Yeah. But we'll figure it out.
This thing is beautiful.
It is. It's a really, really nice car. I mean, it's in great condition. He takes really good care of it. It's never really parked outside. So when he's gone, it stays inside. And when it's with him, it's at home. So yeah, you gotta love it. But okay, guys, we'll let you know what's going on with James' car as soon as we get to the next video. What do we say, Xander?
Later.
Morning. So we're back again. So I don't know if you guys can see in there where I am. Let's see if I can focus in there. Right there. So half of our roller is gone. And it is supposed to be over that way and in that channel right there. And that's what allows the window to go up and down straight. So we have to, come on, focus. There we go. So we have to figure out how we're gonna get, oh, it's not how we're gonna get, we need to get a new roller for this. And Bobby thinks he knows exactly where we can get the proper one to go back on because we don't have to realign the window or anything. We just have to put a new roller on. Thankfully. Yeah, exactly, thankfully. Because these are an absolute nightmare to get realigned. Trust me. I know. So we're gonna put his seat and door panel back in place. Oh, there we go. Seat and door panel back in place just for the moment until we hear from the owner so we have permission to finish. But that's where we're at, and we're at a stopping point. So it'll be on to the next project for the moment. All right, guys. So what do we say, Bobby?
Good job, boys.